Checking out her, oh, just walking around her. Vietnam. To see in the world, so many streets and cities to view in Vietnam. Oh, 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 Vietnam. Walking around her, seeing her.
There's a lot of different stuff to film around here. This, I think, is what I'm going to film. This is this little alley. I can see tons of these homestays, hostels, homestay, spa, hotel. And the alleys are kind of interesting. And the other one is these, this is, I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. But there's a riverfront on the other side of these. There's some kind of nice hotels right there, actually. Quite nice. I was thinking I might film this street. It's a little bit chaotic, so I was gonna go down and film that one, but I think I'm gonna do the alley instead. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we are in Hue. So I have lots of street videos in Hue. Let's put this up on the map. This is where Hue is at in Vietnam. And then we're basically going to be in this area, which is where the tourists are at. So let's just get right into it and show you as if you're there yourself. I was a little bit tempted to, let's just kind of get down into it a little bit. One thing that's interesting about it is I'm getting away from the traffic. And if I went directly down that way, it goes right to the waterfront, riverfront, sorry. And I think that might actually be interesting to see. But I think also these are also interesting because there's a bunch of businesses and interesting stuff inside them. There's a homestay right there. Somebody with their bags they're gonna collect later. And yeah, here's Ancient Town Homestay. So there's places like that. There's also alleys that go out to that road that I was gonna take you down anyways. Also some interesting architecture like that. There's Amy Hostel. We're gonna keep on meandering around so you can actually be outside. So it's kind of peaceful. Actually, I don't know if we're gonna be able to, let me see. We might not. I think that we might actually have to go back out that way. I feel like this might be a dead end here. There's hotel. So I guess this might be just kind of the prelude to our street that we're gonna film. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna label it as the main street. That's to the side a little bit. And we're gonna come out here, and that'll go to this bigger road. So I think, but it's kind of interesting just so you can kind of understand how these things work, in that there's all these little alleys and, you know, businesses and private homes and hotels that are converted. And yeah, that's going to be the main road over there, and that's going to be our focus street as well. So we're going to go out to that. But it is interesting how the streets are put together. So when we get to that street, it's going to be kind of chaotic. The Mad Hatter. Yeah, there's a coffee shop right there. So we're kind of in these little alleys. So if you work here, it's exactly where we are. The street sign. And then the riverfront is right there. And I'm going to be going down. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Thank you so much. So we're going to walk down this way. Just give you an idea of what it looks like. But this is like one of the main streets where there's a lot of tourists are at. The town is relatively small, so, but this is along the riverbanks. I mean, this little pocket of a neighborhood. Shanty Pier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down a little bit, and then I'm probably going to catch a street sign, film that. And that music will start to get into the algorithm as well. Okay, let's keep on moving along here. Okay, got some art gallery stuff. Yeah, so I'm still kind of getting to know the city. I still don't know it that well. It is a little bit loud, all the motorcycles and vehicles and stuff like that. But it's also quite interesting, like the way that it's designed and set up. I think down that way there's some restaurants, there's some alleys. You can go down the alleys and it's nice and quiet. Zest Coffee. Okay, let me see. So I think we're on Lilloy Street right there. So Lilloy keeps going down, and I think what I'm going to do is go into one of these. Might actually do a separate video. Let's go down to Lilloy. We'll keep on going down, and we'll come back and we'll film that street separately. Yeah, pretty loud.
Toàn bộ cửa hàng này đến 70%.
I guess we're gonna go. Hello, how are you? Hi. Oh, sounds good. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down a little bit further. Yeah, I can also see how everything's parked on the sidewalk too. So it makes it a little bit hard to navigate, but it's okay. But yeah, anyways, this is the Lilloy Street. So you got to see a little bit of what that looks like. There's also there's also all these little alleys everywhere. It says, so I guess it's also Lilloy, and then there's a little alley like 66. I think I'm gonna just go down a little bit. So you can see Century Hotel down that way. There's a KFC right here, and I'm gonna go into the alley a tiny little bit because I think it's more interesting for one. It's all these chairs here you can sit. And the alleys seem like it's kind of chill, relaxed. There's nice restaurants in here and such, right? There's also some artwork. Japanese. Just kind of capture some of that. It's pretty cool. So I think that's one of the beauties of this whole area, is that you can get off that main street that looks kind of chaotic and crazy, and then you come in and there's all these hotels and kind of interesting stuff everywhere. So yeah, that was Lilloye Street. So that's the one that we're gonna have as our main focus. And then these little side streets, I think I might go all the way down to the end, and then we're gonna end this video. So yeah, if you came here yourself, Lilloye could be a place that you can target as a destination street, and then get into the alleys, because the alleys are where all the homestays and hotels and some restaurants and such like that in here. And I'm kind of curious if this alley goes out to the street over there, or if it's a dead end. So maybe we'll go around the corner. Looks like there's a way to go in and out, unless she parked in here. We'll find out in a minute. Oh, okay. Meandering through in the alleys. Let me see. I don't know if can I go that way? Oh, I have to go back. So I have to go back. So I guess that's the end. So thank you. So okay, so kind of trying to get to understand it a little bit. So yeah, I guess this little alleys come to an end right there. So anyways, that's our main street down that way. I'm going to end this particular video, and then we will film a different street. So stay tuned for that. A little slice of Hue, Vietnam for you.